That is turning out to be a lot smaller than I want. Crap. So I got this all done. There's a point right there where the support on the lathe was, and right here is the where is it? Right here is the thinnest part. So you can see down here it's a little bit thicker than up here because it was off centered. So I'm gonna keep that smallest point. Actually, it's more like right here, uh, the bottom, just so it can grab as much water as possible when it plops. So I'm gonna drill out a hole here for the line tie, one right here, and one in the back right here for the hook hangers. Oh, that hurt. It's center enough though. That really hurt. I don't know if you saw it, I had my thumb and it like jabbed my thumb. Good thing it's not really sharp, it's just a dull point. Ooh, and then it fell out. Whoa, that went way up there. Now one will go like that. So you got your line tie, bottom hook hanger, top hook hanger. I don't know if I need to put any weight in this. If I do, it's going to be back here. Should I? Nah. Alright, 5-minute epoxy. White. Works. By the way, I sanded this and I dipped it in some oil-based clear coat. All right, next color is gold or golden. The gold is going to go on the bottom and about halfway up, and then we're going to do olive green on the top and go meet the gold so it'll fade into it. And we'll do some faint black lines and then go from there. Olive green going on the top. Oh my gosh. All right. I'm going to come in with some red and just go in here. All right, so I got this color, this red with my airbrush when I bought it. That was a kind of a cool red, so we'll use this. Okay, yeah, we'll stop right there. That looks pretty good. So what I just realized, there's something missing. I didn't drill out for the eyes. So I am going to risk it and drill out the eyes. And I gotta figure out which ones I want first. So we'll just go with these eyes right here. So okay, now I'll put the black in the airbrush and we'll go around the eyes and then make really faint lines on both sides. So that's about everything I'm going to do for that. Well, it's been a couple days and I got this window screen on there for scales and kind of want to brighten it up, make it a little sparkly, I guess. So I'm just going to go with some silver. So I'll just take all these little clamps off. That looks good. You can still see everything. Do this. Got my medium super glue from the Lob Hob. Let that glue dry a little bit, and then we'll do clear coat. Resin time. Okay, I put way too much glitter in this because it's turning white. This isn't good. Oh no. we're going fishing. We're gonna use this for the fishing today, and we're just gonna test out the popper lure. So I'm gonna go down here to this little bank. We'll probably go over there to the dock to do the actual fishing, but for testing purposes we'll go down to the beach. Oh look, another military helicopter. Helicopter, that's not a military helicopter, but it's really low. That's cool. I like helicopters. I want to be a helicopter pilot one day. Nice and sunny out here. Well, I know this thing floats because I went out on the kayak the other day and I had this to test it, and it floats. I don't know if you can see that. And it plops, dives down a little bit. Oh, it plops good. Ooh, and it makes a lot of noise. You probably only hear the water, but that plops really loudly. Makes fairly decent splash. Oh, that was a big splash. Okay, I gotta keep the... Oh, made a jump. Okay, it's over there. Let's see what it does. It just goes in straight. That's about it for that. That's all I wanted. I can't really fish with this yet because none of the fish I want to go for right now are in season. So let's pick this up and go to the dock to fish. I see fish. I don't know if you'll be able to see them, but they're down there. Fish are up shallow for now. We're gonna fish with this today, a little slip bobber with can't remember what this is called. I threw away the packaging for it and I just put them in a little bag. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna go for some crappie or whatever bites this. There are fish out here. I can see them, but you probably can't. Oh! Had one. Holy moly. Come on. Come on, get out of there. There we go. Nice. First cast with that. Come here. Come on. There we go. Oh, wow. Just yanked it right out of his mouth. Woohoo! Oh, a little bluegill. Nice. Woo! What an awesome dude. That was pretty cool. Sweet.